Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube comments not showing problem or YouTube comment no comment yet problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long page or long tab in YouTube application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your YouTube app. Click on comments icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube comments not showing problem or no comment yet problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.